Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can withdraw from Binance to Revolut. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your wallet right here, and then you want to go ahead and basically sell your cryptocurrency. So just head over to the buy crypto option, and from here you then want to navigate through the sell button. Now basically, after clicking on sell, you then have to enter or input your cryptocurrency right here, and then you want to go ahead and choose your local currency. To make this simple, let's select the US dollar. Now right after that, you then want to go ahead and insert MasterCard as the receive method, and then you can just go ahead and basically enter the virtual card that you got from Revolut. So we are going to do this from the United States. And from there, you will be able to go ahead and basically sell your cryptocurrency to Revolut. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.